Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing for Friday, December 11th. We saw another chilly morning this morning and overnight, with temperatures dropping a little bit lower than expected due to some calmer than expected winds and clear skies. We did see low temperature drop just below freezing overnight. We're going to see a more mild day today. Temperatures just a couple degrees above average for this time of year, as we'll have a southerly to southwesterly flow starting to increase across the region, and then seeing just a slight chance of some isolated light showers tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, there's that high pressure that helped to give us those calm winds and clear skies overnight. It has since started to shift east of the area. That's going to help to promote a southerly to southwesterly flow today, which will help to bump our temperatures up to near 60 degrees for this afternoon. Still going to be seeing partly cloudy to perhaps mostly sunny skies late this morning through this afternoon, and then seeing clouds increase once we get towards this evening. Taking a look at our satellite across the area, currently just seeing a little bit of cirrus out there, as well as some mid-level cloudiness streaming across the Delmarva. Those clouds look like they might decrease further as we go towards the late morning, and so possibly seeing some even more sunnier skies for a brief period late this morning into the early afternoon before clouds increase once again this evening. Currently seeing a few clouds at 15,000 feet scattered at 25,000. Winds are from the south at 4 knots with a temperature of 38 degrees. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be looking at that high of 60 degrees this afternoon as those south to southwesterly winds increase just a bit. Only going to see them increase to about 7 to 12 knots for the afternoon period, and then they'll be dying down to around 4 to 9 knots for the late afternoon and into the early evening, and then becoming southerly at 5 to 10 knots after midnight, increasing to 7 to 12 knots towards sunrise tomorrow morning. We're going to be seeing a very mild low this evening around 48 degrees, and then seeing temperatures slowly rise once we get past about 10 p.m. or so throughout the remainder of the overnight hours into the low 50s. And then becoming the mid-50s by mid-morning tomorrow. And we are going to be seeing that weak disturbance across the Delmarva. Not expecting a whole lot of accumulated precipitation, maybe only 100ths or 200ths of an inch, and showers, if any, will be light and very spotty. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be seeing a few clouds at 3,000 feet, few at 10,000 feet, at 25,000 by lunchtime, potentially becoming scattered at those levels through mid-afternoon, and then we'll start to see clouds increase after about 4 p.m., scattered at 3,000, scattered at 10,000, becoming broken at 2,000, broken at 10,000, and then by 8 p.m. we'll see a few clouds at 1,000 feet develop, broken at 3,000, and broken at 25,000, and after about midnight we'll see a more likelihood of an overcast deck of 3,000 feet, and then by 4 a.m. tomorrow, seeing a broken cloud deck of 1,000 feet, overcast at 2,500, possibly ceiling as low as 500 feet if we get to any shower activity during that time frame. We are seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. For tomorrow, it's going to be mostly cloudy with just a chance of an isolated shower early. It's going to be mild, however, with a high of 64, as we'll have a southwesterly flow continue across the region. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of an isolated shower. It's going to be mild once again with a low of 52. And then another mild Sunday. It should be actually rather beautiful out there under partly and mostly cloudy skies. Should be dry, maybe a very, very slight chance of a sprinkle early, but otherwise going to be a high of 64 out there, and with no chance of precipitation other than that very slight chance of sprinkle early. That'll do it for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.